Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. All right, today we're gonna go out on a whim. All right, we're just gonna do it. I've been dragging my feet and having some delays due to some upper back issues, which has been kind of putting me down, slowing me down. So anyways, we are going to put on our coil packs, not knowing what they're going to do for the car other than what was videoed by Granatelli. 15 rear wheel horsepower was documented in a video on S550, and then we are switching to E85. We're going to put our meats on, and then we're going to hit Mexico. Hopefully I can get my get out of jail free card tonight. And there's a few cars I want to hit up, only because if you're there, only because one beat me, which is the 12.0 car, 64 Fahrenheit 289, awesome car. It hooks in the street like there's no tomorrow. 440 horse, 289 in a very lightweight 64 Fahrenheit, running on slicks. Nothing's in the car, it's stripped out. It's totally badass. It will fool a lot of people. But anyways, I'm gonna hit him up if he's out there, and maybe a couple other NA cars. Let's see where this takes us, and we'll get a cold start on the new coil packs. And yeah, we'll catch up later in the video. So that's what this video is gonna be about. First thing you want to do, guys, always, even when changing throttle bodies, anything electrical, disconnect your battery. The negative side of the battery, always disconnect. The coil packs are very easy to come out. Take screws out first, lift up the red tab, that's your lock. And then you just got to kind of help it a little bit by getting a screwdriver under here, wiggling it. Should have did this first, and then once it breaks loose, you should be able to pull it up. It's that easy. So this is basically off. Holding the camera and then with the screwdriver in your hand. That's it. Get the new one on, set it in, just rinse and repeat. Super easy. These are the new coil packs. We are replacing Granatelli Extreme. These are 65,000 volts Pro Series. And again, check out Granatelli. Search your S550 dyno test that they did. Pure stock car. They put these on and they gained 15 wheel horsepower. If I'm not mistaken, it seemed like they also had 20 foot-pounds of torque. That's huge. That's huge. So we are going to dyno and validate this in October. October 14th is the day. So we're going to put these on. We'll probably start out with these, and then we'll have our tuner put on the stock ones to see the control number. So we'll just go backwards with that deal. But this is what we're putting on. So for me, bad luck has started. On my second removal, the red locking broke on me. I just lifted it up with my finger and it just broke. That sucks. Not sure if that can be replaced. I'll have to look into that. So the other piece is lying right there. You want to make sure that doesn't fall down. You know, what the hell, right? What luck. So we're going to get that out and proceed. All right, we plugged the hole and we got it out with some needle nose pliers. This really sucks though. So I don't know if those harnesses have a connection on the other side to replace or what. I heard a lot of guys had problems pulling these apart, so I'm not hugely concerned about that myself. And why? This car is not a driver. This car rarely gets as many miles as it has already, and that's only due to the new clutch and transmission. So average per year, maybe 1,500 miles. So again, you know, there's nothing on my stock ones. They're totally clean. I haven't had any issues. So let's just see how this goes. we should be okay. All right, this side is on. So this is just me on any nut and bolt. I always hand start them. Get them started first before you put any power to them. That assures you don't cross thread them. Just a rule of mine. So anyways, we'll get these tightened down and we'll get the other side and do the cold start. So these notes are in every coil pack. So rubber boot is hermetically sealed onto the coil body. Separating the body will damage your coil pack and void the warranty. Do not separate boot from coil body. I mean, if this is sealed from the factory onto the coil body, I just find it hard to believe that they're pulling apart, but they may, I don't know. But that's what I heard from the community. But I went with these anyways, just because of the dyno results. And more volts are not going to hurt you. Overstock, right? 65,000 volts these are. So let's check them out. We're all assembled. We have them all on. Yay. And we'll do a cold start and see what it sounds like in comparison to a standard. It may be the same, but let's see. It's just all for fun. Getting back to that broken connector, if you look on these, there's a little raised notch, and that's why you have to put the screwdriver down on the bottom, and you kind of get that under there and lift that clip off. So that's the clicking we heard. So we should be okay on that connector. Unfortunately, they make these things a little cheap. I don't know why it broke, but it's not like it's been on and off that many times. But anyways, thought I'd share that. All right, hey guys, so we got the car ready, we got the coil packs on, we went to E85, we got our meats on. I don't have this on video. Our intention was to go out, have some fun in Mexico. I went and tested first, and it didn't come out so well. So second gear, third gear, three different occasions, the clutch is slipping. The clutch is slipping, and totally disappointed in this. So I just got off the phone with Lethal Performance. Here's the drill, and this is nothing against Lethal Performance. It's nothing against anybody I'm talking about. I try and be as professional as possible, but buyer beware. Okay, so I do have the extended warranty, right? A little bit deceiving because the company is not through Lethal. It's a company called Extend. Yeah, whatever. So anyways, they will replace the clutch. But again, I'm stuck with the labor and everything. I don't do the work. I can't. I just can't. So yeah. What's really disappointing though, and I don't know why I'm doing this shit again. What's really disappointing is that, I explained, hey, I got 800 break-in miles. Now, you've guys seen my videos. I know my subs have. and just over the 500-mile mark. We did a test on street tires, and then the rest, again, it's been, easy driving, 800 miles of easy driving. And he said, well, it's not about the miles. It's about the engagements. What the fuck? Okay, I get it, but you need at least 1,000 engagements. Then you should tell your customer that it's not a 500-mile break-in. It's 1,000 engagements. Start counting your engagements, right? What the hell? So anyways, the clutch could be glazed over because of the slipping. So they want to take it apart. Now, apparently, McLeod does the build for them. I'm okay with McLeod. My RST was great. I ran it hard for 2 years. Hot spots on it, so we pulled it. We replaced it with this. We went to a single disc, drag strip rated, a single disc clutch, sprung clutch, because the dual disc is not, was because the noises were getting out of transmission. We wanted to dampen them noises, and it has. It has a lot. It dampened that boom, that deep humming sound at 3,000 RPM. Yes, it has. And that's why I went to that. But do I want to go through with the warranty? Yes. They won't give you your money back. They will give you another clutch. Am I going to put that clutch on? No, I'm not going to do that. They won't take the clutch back as far as credit and let me pay a difference and upgrade. They won't allow that. So it is what it is. Well, hopefully we're going to get street tires back on the car. We are still scheduled for our dyno. Hopefully there's no issues with holding there. I don't think it will be, but I don't know. I don't know how much resistance there is on a dyno. It can't be any more than the resistance of the car going down the road in the tire. You know what I mean? So hopefully we'll be fine. We won't lose any power there. So we still got winter coming. I'm not doing anything now. Live and learn. I got 3 years on this warranty, so again, we'll get it worked out. If I get a brand new clutch, I'll just sell it outright. I don't think it's a bad clutch. Maybe I don't know. I really don't know what happened, but if it glazed over, it's not going to grab. So it works. It pulls in first gear. It just didn't second. I did it again, just trying to figure out what's going on. Next time happened in third. So, I don't know, not happy with this situation. We'll leave it at that. So guys, thanks to my new subs. I know we picked up more, and yeah, thanks guys. Just a little bit stressed about this whole situation. You gotta love cars, right? Pain in the ass. So guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and hopefully this next video we got on the dyno, and we'll have a few more in between probably. We'll take the car and let you hear it with the coil packs and the E85, because it runs really well. And I want to prove out these coil packs do add 15 rear wheel horsepower. A lot of guys say no, they don't, but I felt it, seat of the pants. I got enough experience. I also felt the E85, it runs great with the two together. So we'll leave it at that. But we'll let the dyno be the true tale of all. If my clutch doesn't slip, it shouldn't. I hope not. I don't know. We'll find out. So anyways, thanks guys, man. We'll talk to you later, and have a great day.